Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615, and I can show you how to print network information on this device. To do it, you just need to open the setup, preferences, scroll down, not preferences, but tools, and scroll down, and here you will see the network configuration report. Click on it. So super, it was successfully printed. Oh, it was not the network printing. Try again, network configuration report. I don't know why it was printed the quality report. So let's try again. And cool, yes, alright. So now it was HP network configuration page, and great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.